Slow down, Clover! Jeez, your mom is gonna kill us!
Are you afraid of my mom biting your head off?
No, but she can be overprotective. Clover, don't get close to there!
It's just a cliff.
Even if it's a cliff, it's dangerous to jump about on it!
Okay, I'll stop. I was just playing.
Gosh, thank you. Now let's... What was that?
Ah!
Clover, no! Ah! Oh my gosh! I'm alive!
But look where we're at.
We're down on the other side of the mountain.
That's for sure. Maybe we should check this place out before we do anything else, okay?
Fine. Let's just go this way. Are you? Who goes there? I saw you guys fall down from the cliff. It seems you guys got really lucky. Show yourself at once! Such big talk for a little runt like you. Alright, that's it! Missed me. Missed me again! How does your speed outmatch mine? Let's just say that I'm not an ordinary wolf.
What are you doing and what are you looking for?
Excuse you?
What are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for the element gemstone.
Why?
Well, I need what's inside the stone. Ha! It's even more powerful than the legendary element wolves.
I thought they were a myth. Wait, you actually seen an element wolf?
Well, she's gone.
We should go find the stones.
What? We're not looking for the stones. That's just crazy talk.
Come on, we're lost anyways.
I know, but...
Please?
Okay, fine, but it's our funeral. I thought I'd really scare them off. But don't worry. They'll lead me, us, to the stone. Then all of Alaska will be under our paws.